Harry Pittsburgh Phil Strauss was a notorious American mobster and hitman who operated during the early 20th century. He was born in July 1909 to a Jewish family in the Russian Empire. His family immigrated to the U.S. in 1914 and changed their surname to Strauss. Like so many other Jewish immigrants, the Strauss family settled on the Lower East Side, Manhattan, New York City. Strauss became one of the most feared and ruthless members of the infamous Murder, Incorporated, an organized crime syndicate responsible for carrying out contract killings on behalf of various mob families. Strauss grew up in a deprived neighborhood and quickly became involved in criminal activities. He became associated with the notorious mobster Louis Lepke Buckalter, who was the founder and leader of Murder, Incorporated. Strauss was known for his cold-blooded nature and willingness to commit violent acts without hesitation. As a member of Murder, Incorporated, Strauss carried out numerous contract killings, earning a reputation as a highly skilled and efficient hitman. He was believed to have been responsible for at least 100 murders. Some historians put the number as high as 500, using a variety of methods, including shooting, stabbing with ice picks, drowning, live burial, and strangulation. Strauss never carried a weapon in case the local police picked him up on suspicion. He would scout his murder spot for any tool that would do the job. Strauss and other members of Murder, Incorporated, were hired by various mob families to eliminate rival gangsters, witnesses, and anyone else who posed a threat to the criminal underworld. Despite his reputation as a deadly killer, Strauss's criminal career came to an abrupt end. In 1941, he and several other members of Murder, Incorporated, were arrested and prosecuted for their involvement in various criminal activities, including multiple murders. Albert the Executioner Anastasia, another notorious mobster, allegedly ordered the killing of Abe Relis, a former Murder, Incorporated member turned government witness. After hitman Abe Kid Twist Relis turned informant, Strauss was arrested for the murder of Irving Puggy Feinstein and at least 5 other known murders. Strauss was found guilty of murder and was sentenced to death. On June 12, 1941, Harry Strauss was executed in the electric chair at Sing Correctional Facility in Ossining, New York. His death marked the end of an era for Murder, Incorporated, and served as a significant blow to organized crime syndicates operating at the time. Harry Pittsburgh Phil Strauss left a dark and violent legacy as one of the most feared hitmen in American criminal history. His ruthless killings in association with Murder, Incorporated, earned him a place among the most notorious figures in the underworld of the early 20th century. While his death brought an end to his reign of violence, the tales of his crimes continue to endure as a chilling reminder of the violent underbelly of organized crime.